Welcome to my class. Introduction. Class Standard 11-12. Subject Higher Mathematics, first paper. Chapter name Trigonometric ratios of associated and compound angles. Exercise 7F, lecture 6. Today's lesson to explain trigonometric identities. To explain trigonometric identities, when there exists a relation among three or more angles or their multiple angles or their submultiple angles. Many useful trigonometric identities can be established if the sum of three angles is 180 degree. The properties of supplementary and complementary angles are to be used, such as if a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then a plus b is equal to pi minus c, or b plus c is equal to pi minus a, or a plus c is equal to pi minus b, etc. Therefore, sin a plus b is equal to sin pi minus c. As here is pi mean number of right angles 2, so this equal to, we can write sin c. Similarly, cos a plus b is equal to cos pi minus c, this equal to minus cos c. Tan a plus b is equal to tan pi minus c, this equal to minus tan c, etc. Again, if a plus b plus c equal to pi, then half of a plus b is equal to pi by 2 minus c by 2. Therefore, sin a plus b by 2, that's mean half of a plus b, this equal to sin pi by 2 minus c by 2, this equal to cos c by 2. Similarly, cos half a plus b this equal to sin c by 2, tan half a plus b this equal to cot c by 2, etc. Now problem, if a plus b plus c equal to pi, prove that sin a plus sin b plus sin c this equal to 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. Given that a plus b plus c equal to pi, left hand side sin a plus sin b plus sin c. Now this equal to, we can write sin a plus sin b, that means sin c plus sin d, this equal to, we can write 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. As here is a, so here will be a plus, and here b, so here will be b, and like this way we can write here a minus b, and here is sin c. Sin c, this equal to, we can write sin 2 into c by 2, that means sin 2a. Sin 2a this equal to 2 sin a cos a. Okay, that's mean this formula is used here. Now this equal to, we can write half of a plus b this equal to pi by 2 minus c by 2. That's mean this relation or identities is used here, into cos half into a minus b plus 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2. Now this equal to, we can write cos c by 2. This part we know, and others part same. Now we can take common 2 cos c by 2. As a result, here will be cos half of a minus b plus sin c by 2. Now cos 2 cos c by 2 into cos half a minus b plus, here will be c mean, that means c by 2 mean pi by 2 minus a plus b by 2. Now this equal to, we can write cos a plus b by 2. Now this equal to, we can write cos a by 2 minus cos minus b by 2 plus cos a by 2 plus b by 2. Here is the formula, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, this equal to 2 cos a cos b. As here a is equal to a by 2, so we can write this equal to this part fixed, and here this equal to, we can write 2 cos a cos b. B mean b by 2, a mean a by 2. Now calculate, we will get 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. This equal to right hand side. Proof is complete. Clear everyone? Okay. Problem 2. If a plus b plus c equal to pi, up to 4 given conditions same, that's mean a plus b plus c this equal to pi. Prove that cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2 plus cos c by 2 this equal to 4 cos pi minus a by 4 cos pi minus b by 4 cos pi minus c by 4. Solution given that a plus b plus c equal to pi. Now right hand side is equal to this. Now putting the value of pi, pi is equal to what? Pi is equal to a plus b plus c. As here is pi minus a, so a cut will get b plus c. Similarly here c plus a, and here a plus b. Okay. Now 4 mean we can write 2 into 2. As a result, this 2 makes a formula 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b, this equal to, we can write cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. That's mean this formula is used here, and others part same. That's mean cos a plus b by 4 is fixed. Okay. Now calculate. Here LCM will be 4, and here will be b plus c plus a. That's mean a plus b plus 2c divided by 4, and here c cut, so here will be minus a by 4, and others part fixed. And here cos c plus cos d. So cos c plus cos d, this equal to, we can write 2 cos c plus d. Sorry, at first we have to multiplying this by this. As a result, we will get 2 into cos a plus b plus 2c by 4 into cos a plus b by 4 plus cos 2 into b minus a by 4 cos a plus b by 4. Now follow next. Here is 2 cos a cos b, and here also 2 cos a cos b. Okay. 2 cos a cos b, this equal to, you can write cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, and here also cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Now this equal to, you can write here LCM will be 4, and numerator will be a plus b plus 2c plus a plus b. That's mean 2 into a plus b plus c, and 2 and this 4 cut will be here 2. Okay. And here will be a cut b cut. That's mean 2c divided by 4. That's mean 2 and 4 cut. Here will be only 2. That's mean c by 2. And similarly others part will be b by 2, and here will be a by 2. But a plus b plus c, this equal to, we know pi, and cos pi by 2 mean, that's mean cos pi by 2, and others part same. But cos pi by 2 mean 90 degree, this equal to 0, and others part same. This equal to cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2 plus cos c by 2. This equal to left hand side. Proof is complete. Okay. Given condition, problem 3, a plus b plus c equal to pi. We have to prove that tan b by 2 tan c by 2 plus tan c by 2 tan a by 2 plus tan a by 2 tan b by 2, this equal to 1. Solution given that a plus b plus c equal to pi implies a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2, this equal to pi by 2. That's me dividing on both sides by 2, we get this. Now a by 2 plus b by 2, this equal to pi by 2 minus c by 2. Now taking tan on both sides, we'll get this. But this equal to tan a plus b mean tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. This equal to cot c, as here is pi by 2, and tan cot c by 2, this equal to, you can write 1 by tan c by 2. That's mean 1 by tan c by 2, left side fixed. Now cross multiplication, we'll get tan a by 2, tan c by 2, tan b by 2, tan c by 2, this equal to 1 minus tan a by 2, tan b by 2. Now this equal to, you can write tan a by 2 into tan c by 2 plus tan b by 2 into tan c by 2 plus tan a by 2 into tan b by 2, this equal to 1. Now arrange, we'll get tan b by 2 into tan c by 2 plus tan a by 2 into tan c by 2 plus tan a by 2 into tan b by 2, this equal to 1. Proof is complete. Okay. For number, if a plus b plus c equal to 5, prove that sin square a minus sin square b plus sin square c, this equal to 2 sin a cos b sin c. This is the given condition. Left hand side is this, as here is e square, here is e square. So if we'll take here 2, this makes a formula. So for taking 2, we have to multiply half. That's mean half into 2 sin square a plus 2 sin square c, and this part fixed. Okay. Now this equal to 2 sin square a mean 1 minus cos 2a, and 2 sin square c mean 1 minus cos 2c. That's mean half into 1 minus cos 2a plus 1 minus cos 2c, and this part, that's mean minus sin square b. Now this equal to 1 plus 1 mean 2, and here will be cos 2a plus cos 2c, and this part fixed, and here will be cos c plus cos d, this equal to here half into 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. C mean 2a, d mean 2c. So 2a plus 2c by 2. And here half into 2 mean half. And others part fixed. Okay. Now this and this makes a formula 1 minus sin square b. So at first write in arrange 1 minus sin square b, and here half into 2, that's mean only 1. And here will be cos a plus c, because here is 2 common, so 2 to cut will be only a plus c, and here a minus c. But cos a plus c mean pi minus b. Here cos square b minus cos pi minus b into cos a minus c. Clear? Now cos pi minus b mean minus cos b, because pi means second quadrant mean minus something means second quadrant, and second quadrant cos negative, so here will be minus cos b. As a result, minus minus will be plus. Now follow this. Clear? And minus minus will be here plus. Now taking common cos b, as a result here will be cos b plus cos a minus c. But b is equal to what? B is equal to pi minus a minus c, sorry, a plus c. That's mean this. Now this equal to, you can write minus cos a plus c, and here plus cos a minus c. Cos a minus c taking first, then this part in right. Now this equal to cos b into 2 sin a into sin c, as here is cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, this equal to sin a sin b, as here is a mean a, b mean c. Now arrange and writing to sin a cos b sin c, this is equal to right hand side. Proof is complete. Clear everyone? Now problem 5 number. If the given condition a plus b plus c equal to pi by 2, but before math was only pi, but here is pi by 2, we have to prove that cos square a minus cos square b plus cos square c, this equal to 2 cos a cos b into sin c. Same way, just given condition different, pi by 2. Okay. Left hand side, here will be plus and here will be minus. Given condition here is wrong, here will be plus and here will be minus. Okay. In similar way, when we'll take half, here will be 2 cos square a plus 2 cos square b minus cos square c. Okay, 2 cos square a mean 1 plus cos 2a, and here 1 plus cos 2b, others parts fixed. Half into 2 plus cos 2a plus cos 2b minus cos square c. Now multiplying half, we'll get it here 1 and here half into 2 cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2 and remaining part fixed. Now calculate this cos a plus b cos a minus b, and here will be 1 minus cos square c. 1 minus cos square c mean sin square c. Okay, and here will be a plus b mean pi by 2 minus c. Others part, here will be a minus b not c, here will be b. Okay, plus sin square, here also will be sin square c. Okay, because 1 minus cos square c means sin square c. Now this equal to, you can write sin square c plus sin c into cos a minus b. Now taking common sin c, this equal to sin c plus cos a minus b. Sin c into sin c mean pi by 2 minus a plus b, and this part fixed. Sin c into cos a plus b plus cos a minus c b. Now this equal to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b mean 2 cos a cos b. This equal to 2 cos a cos b to sin c. This equal to right hand side. Proof is complete. Okay. Final problem 6. If a plus b plus c equal to pi and cot a plus cot b plus cot c, this equal to root 3. Prove that a is equal to b equal to c. Given condition. Now a plus b plus c equal to pi. Now a plus b equal to pi minus c. Now taking cot on both sides, we'll get this. But cot a plus b mean cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. This equal to minus, here will be cot c. Now cross multiplying this by this, will get cot a cot b minus 1. This equal to minus cot b cot c minus cot c cot a. Now taking this into left side and this into right side, as a result we'll get cot a cot b plus cot b cot c plus cot c cot a equal to 1. This is equation number 1. Now another given condition, this, that's mean cot a plus cot b plus cot c, this is equal to root 3. Squaring on both sides, we'll get left side, that's mean a plus b plus c whole square, that's mean a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, and right side will be 3. But 3 is equal to, we can write 3 into 1. As a result, 1 is equal to, we can write this. So direct we have written here 3 into this. As a square root of 3 mean 3, and 3 this equal to, we can write 3 into 1, and 1 is equal to this. Okay, so we can write this as here 2 into cot a cot b plus 2 into cot b cot c plus 2 into cot c cot a, but here is 3. When we'll convert this into left side, we'll get minus cot a cot b minus cot b cot c minus cot c cot a. Now follow next. That's mean this. But for proving a equal to b equal to c, we have to make a formula here. As a result, we have to multiplying 2 on both sides. As a result, we'll get this. But cot square a mean cot square a plus cot square a. But we have to retain in arranged. As a result, here will be cot square a minus 2 cot a cot b plus cot square b. One cot square b is used here. So another cot square b is used here. Okay. And like this, so we can write cot square b minus 2 cot b cot c plus cot square c plus cot square c minus 2 cot c cot a plus cot square a, this equal to 0. But this makes a formula cot a minus cot b whole square. Here cot b minus cot c whole square. Here cot c minus cot a whole square. That's mean this. But sum of square of some numbers, this equal to 0 mean this equal to 0, this equal to 0, and this equal to 0. That's mean this. That's mean first part this equal to 0, second part this equal to 0, and third part this also equal to 0. As a result, left side and right side will be same. Okay, now calculate. Okay, this equal to 0 mean cot a minus cot b, this equal to 0. Therefore cot a equal to cot b, that's mean a equal to b. Similarly, here we'll get b equal to c, and here also c equal to a. Okay, that's mean A equal to B and B equal to C and C equal to A mean A equal to B equal to C. So proof is complete. Exercise 7F homework. Date of submission 30/11/2020 time 7 p.m. Okay, so today up to this. Thank you to all everyone.